I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to change your email on Telefonica, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on it to access your current email details. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Double check for any typos to avoid issues later on. Just a heads up, if you enter an email that is already in use, you'll get an error message. Step 5. Confirm the change. After saving your new email, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Telefonica. Click on the link in that email to finalize the update. That is it. You've successfully changed your email on Telefonica. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support.